if I lost everything today, like everything, no big trading accounts, no advanced trading tools, like no years of profit history, and the only thing I had left was $100. So how would I start forex trading again? Now, would I try to flip the $100 quickly or overnight, or would I risk everything on one trade, or would I follow a completely different strategy? Now, the truth is, after some years of trading, I realized something very, very important. Most beginners fail in forex not because the market is difficult, but because they start the wrong way. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had only $100 and I had to start forex trading from scratch today. I'm not understood. So no hype, no unrealistic promises, just the smart strategy that gives beginners the best chance to survive and grow. And trust me, step number 3 is where most traders destroy their account. Join my Telegram community. The link is at the description. Very, very important. That is where I share signal and I update you guys on some things about trading. So join my Telegram community. Very, very important. And not just that, if you want one-on-one mentorship, you can click the link at the description. Also james-gides.com. Just get your mentorship program and I will see you at the other side. And if you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, drop comment below, and let's dive right into the video. First thing I would do is to protect the $100. Understood. So first mistake beginners make is thinking about how to grow $100 quickly. But if I had $100 today, my first goal, right, would not be growth. My first goal would be survival, because in forex trading, survival is everything. If your account disappears in 1 week, your trading journey is finished before it even begins. The first thing I would do is to create a simple rule. I'm understood, like never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. I'm understood. Let's break it down. 1% of your account is $1 and 2% of your account is $2. That means every trade I take only risk $1 or $2. Most beginners hate hearing this, right? They hate hearing this because they want to start traveling the world. They want to start buying the account, and that is how you blow account, because they want fast results, and that did not come easy in forex. But professional traders understand something beginners ignored. Now, small risk keep you in the game long enough to learn. More understood. And in trading, time in the market is more valuable than fast profits. Now, second thing, I'm going to trade on demon first. Now, here is something many people don't want to hear. If I had $100 today, am I understood? I would not trade it immediately. Instead, I would start with a demon account first. Why? Because forex trading is not a guessing work, right? It's a skill, and just like any skill out there, I'm understood. So you need to practice before real money is involved. Now think about it like this. Would you perform surgery without training? Would you fly a plane without practice? Of course not, isn't it? But many people open a forex account and started trading immediately. That's one of the fastest way to lose money. I'm not understood. So I would spend at least 30 days on a demon account practicing. Am I understood? Now, reading charts, understanding trend, learn how the market moves. And once I feel comfortable with my strategy, then I move to the real account. 13. I'm going to focus on one strategy. Another mistake beginners make is strategy hopping. Now, one day they trade indicators, the next day they trade price action, the next day they trade a strategy they saw on social media, right? But the truth is, you don't need many strategies to succeed in forex. You only need one simple strategy that you understand very well. If I started with $100 today, I would focus on something simple, and that would be like support and resistance, trend trading, basic price action. These are the simple strategy, and they often work better than complicated ones, because when trading becomes too complex, emotions start taking over, and emotions are the enemy of profitable trading. More understood. So fourth thing, trade less, not more. Here is a surprising truth about successful traders. They actually trade less than beginners. Now, beginners think more trade means more profit, but in reality, right, more trade usually mean more mistakes. If I had $100 today that I'm talking to you, or if I should start afresh, I would probably take 1 or 2 high quality trades per day, and that is okay. Not 10 trade, not 20 trade, just few well planned trades, because professional traders understand that the best opportunity comes when the market shows clear signals. Patience is the one of the most powerful skill in trading, and trading, unfortunately, is also one of the hardest skill to learn. Fifth thing I would do: focus on learning, not profit. This might be the most important part of the entire video, I'm understood. So if I started with $100 today, right, I would not focus on becoming rich quickly. Instead, I would focus on becoming a skilled trader. Now, because once you develop a trading skill, money becomes a byproduct. But if you chase money first, you usually lose both and you end up giving up in the forex market. Now think about the $100 account as a training ground. Your goal is to learn, right? Your goal is to learn how to control emotions, how to follow a trading plan, how to accept losses. These lessons are far more valuable than quick profits, because once you master the process, right, scaling up becomes easier. And that takes us to number 6, the reality of growing $100. Now let's talk about, honestly, about something many YouTube videos ignore, like turning $100 right into a $10,000. Extremely difficult. Possible? Yes. Common? No. Right? Now most professional traders aim for 5% to 10%, right, growth per month. So if you grow a $100 account by 10%, that is $10. It might not sound exciting, but that is how real trading works. Now, slow, steady, consistent growth. The trader who chase fast money often end up blowing their account, but the traders who focus on discipline and patience survive long enough to succeed in the forex market. Am I on to smash the like button? The biggest enemy is emotions. When you trade with a small account, emotions can become very, very strong. You see a trade going against you and suddenly you want to close it early, or you see a small profit and you close the trade too quickly. These emotional decisions are what destroy most beginner accounts. And if I started with $100 today, I would create a clear trading rules. Remove emotions. For example, enter only when my setup appears. Always use a stop loss. These simple rules, right, protect your account from emotional decision. The power of consistency. The biggest advantage in forex trading is not intelligence, it's consistency. Many people or many beginners start strong, but after few losses, they quit. The traders who succeed are the ones who refuses to quit, who keep improving day after day. If I had $100 today, my focus would be simple: improve every week, learn from every mistake, track every trade in a journal. Am I understood? Over time, these small improvements, right, compound into powerful results. What happens after the first profit? Now, let's say your $100 account grows to $120, then $150, maybe it grows to $200. What should you do next? Right? This is where discipline becomes even more important. Many traders become overconfident after small wins. They increase their risk. They start trading emotionally, and suddenly the account disappears. Smash the like button if you are learning something. Now, if I had $100 today, I would continue following the same rules, the same trading plan, no matter how much the account grows. Even if it grows to $10,000, I'm still going to be following the rules. Now, consistency is what turns small accounts into larger ones. Now, if I have to start forex trading again today, right? With only $100, I wouldn't chase fast profits. I wouldn't risk everything on one trade. I would definitely wouldn't believe the hype that trading is easy. Instead, I would focus on protecting my capital. Am I understood? So learning the skill, following a simple strategy, and staying consistent, because the truth is forex trading is not about turning $100 into millions of dollars overnight. It's about developing a skill that can generate income for years. And once you master that skill, the size of your account will no longer limit your potential. So if you're starting your Forex journey today, remember this: the goal is not to get rich quickly. The goal is to become a trader who survives and improves. Am I understood? So because the trader who stay in the game long enough, am I understood, are the ones who eventually win. Join my Telegram community, very important. And if you want one-on-one mentorship, you can click james-gides.com. Very important. If you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, and comment your mistakes or what you've been doing as a beginner at the comment section. Very important. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.